Welcome to our channel. Today we how to activate a visible wireless eSIM. Digital SIM guide step by step clearly. Make sure your phone supports eSIM and is carrier unlocked. Then connect to a strong Wi-Fi network. Update your iPhone to the latest iOS or your Android to the latest system version to avoid activation errors. Open the App Store or Google Play Store and download the Visible app. Launch the Visible app and tap Sign Up if you are new, or log in if you already have an account. Verify your email address and phone number if the app asks you to confirm them. On the home screen, select Start Service or Activate, depending on what you see in the app. Choose eSIM when the app asks what type of SIM you want to use. If you are bringing your number, select Transfer My Number and enter your current carrier details carefully. If you want a new number, select Get a New Number and choose your area code. Prepare your current carrier account number, transfer PIN, billing zip code, and name exactly as on the account. Double-check that your current line is still active, because canceling it early can stop the transfer. When prompted, review the plan details and proceed to payment if required. After payment or confirmation, stay in the Visible app and wait for the eSIM installation prompt. On iPhone, tap Allow when you see the message to add a cellular plan. On Android, tap Download or Add when the system asks to install the eSIM. If the app shows a QR code option, open Settings, then Cellular or Network and Internet, and choose Add eSIM to scan it. When the eSIM finishes installing, set Visible as your default line for cellular data if this is your main service. Set Visible as your default line for voice and SMS if you want calls and texts on this number. Turn on data roaming only if Visible support specifically instructs you, because it is usually not required. Go to Settings, then Cellular or SIMs, and confirm the Visible line is turned on. Enable Wi-Fi calling in Settings if you have weak indoor signal and your device supports it. Restart your phone once to help the network registration complete cleanly. Turn airplane mode on for 10 seconds, then turn it off to force a fresh network connection. Open the Visible app again and check that your status shows active. Place a test call to a known number to confirm voice service is working. Send a test SMS text message and confirm you can receive replies. Turn off Wi-Fi and open a web page to confirm mobile data works on LTE or 5G. If anything fails, remove and re-add the eSIM only after checking Wi-Fi, restarting, and confirming your transfer details in the app. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.